Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. In today's episode we will have a scene analysis. Today's scene is from a series called Husband's Memoir or Husband's Diary, مذكرات زوج. And it's a scene between a father and his daughter, like a small conversation. And the detailed scene, I offer more detailed degree of analysis in my weekly conversation Zoom sessions within my accelerator course. You can find the link in the description box.
مامتي أنا عشت معاها أحلى سنين حياتي.
The atmosphere of this scene is a little bit sad because the father is not satisfied with the behavior of his daughter and he's comparing his daughter to her mom. Okay, so the first phrase here, he said مامتك أنا عشت معاها أحلى سنين حياتي. مامتك أنا عشت معاها أحلى سنين حياتي. It means that I lived with your mother the best years of my life. Okay, the best years of my life. Here, it's very important to notice the verb يعيش, to live, and the past tense is عاش or lived. Okay, and عاش with I, the conjugation with I is عشت. So أنا عشت. And you know حياة or حياة is life. Okay, سنة is year. So and the plural of سنة is سنين. And أحلى from حلو, which is beautiful. So أحلى سنين حياتي, the most beautiful years in my life. Okay, so أنا عشت معاها, I lived with her. I lived with her. معاها, معاها in more than the Arabic is معاها in Egyptian. Okay, so your mother or مامتك, and sometimes we say also أمك. So أمك or مامتك, that we say both in spoken Egyptian. أنا عشت معاها أحلى سنين حياتي.
مامتك أنا عشت معاها أحلى سنين حياتي. طول السنين دي عمرها ما فكرت إنها تنكد عليا أو تضايقني في يوم من الأيام.
طول السنين دي, it means this the entire years. Okay, سنين is the plural of سنة. So طول السنين, all these years. طول السنين, طول السنين. عمرها ما فكرت, عمرها. So عمرها, and we will have an episode soon about عمري, the word عمري, which means in my lifetime. So when I say, for example, أنا عمري ما سافرت أوروبا. For example, I have never traveled to Europe. Okay, عمري here, it means in my lifetime, in the past lifetime, I never traveled. Okay, so when I say عمرها ما فكرت, she never thought of. Okay, so يفكر is to think, فكر thought, فكرت she thought. Okay, she never thought of. Okay, she never thought of. عمرها ما فكرت تنكد عليا أو تضايقني. Okay, تنكد عليا. تنكد or النكد means to give me hard time. Okay, give me hard time. Or to, let's say, give a bit of pressure on me, put pressure on me, or make the life unbearable, irresistible for me. Okay, make it difficult to handle. This is called النكد. So ينكد, to make it difficult. And usually ينكد is a very famous word in Egyptian between husband and wife. Okay, ينكد عليه, تنكد عليه, ينكد عليها, and so on. So make it difficult for her, make the life difficult for her, so they are not with each other, understanding each other, and not coping with each other. Or تضايقني, تضايق, to upset somebody, to make him sad, or to make her sad. يضايق. عمرها ما فكرت إنها تنكد عليا أو تضايقني في يوم من الأيام. يوم من الأيام, one day of the days. Okay, يوم, one day, من الأيام, from the days, or from the days. So one day from the days, يوم من الأيام. And this is also a very famous song, from يوم من الأيام, in Egyptian, a very famous Egyptian song. So عمرها ما فكرت, she has never thought of teasing me, make the life hard on me, or upset me any day of the days. في يوم من الأيام.
طول السنين دي عمرها ما فكرت إنها تنكد عليا أو تضايقني في يوم من الأيام. يا ريتك طلعت زيها.
يا ريتك طلعتي زيها. يا ريتك طلعتي زيها. يا ريت it means I wish, I hope. Okay. يا ريتك I wish that you. Okay. يا ريتك. Okay. يا ريتك طلعتي. طلعتي here it means grew up or you became like. Okay. طلعتي. يا ريتك طلعتي زيها. زيها it means like here. زي as a word it means as or like, and when we add ha, this pronoun زي ha, it means like her. زيه like him. زيك like you. زيي like me. So زيها like her. يا ريتك طلعتي زيها. I hope, I hope that you I wish you became like her or you grew up like her.
يا ريتك طلعتي زيها.
يا ترى طلعت لمين بقى؟
ويا ترى طلعت لمين بقى؟ يا ترى طلعت لمين بقى؟ يا ترى here is a questioning phrase and we say يا ترى which means I am thinking. What about? Okay, يا ترى. What could be? Okay, يا ترى. And يا ترى as a phrase it means I am thinking about something. يا ترى. How about so and so and so. Okay, so his daughter is telling him ويا ترى and so and let me think يا ترى طلعت لمين بقى. I grew up like whom. And بقى is a word that is an additional word, or let's say a filling word that doesn't have any actual meaning but it's like an emphasis. ويا ترى طلعت لمين. And I grew up like whom, and then I add بقى. بقى is like a questioning. يا ترى طلعت لمين. So like so at the beginning. So بقى. يا ترى طلعت لمين بقى. Okay, يا ترى طلعت لمين. So I grew up like whom.
يا ريتك طلعتي زيها.
يا ترى طلعت لمين بقى؟
Then the father understands her phrase and actually what she's trying to target. Okay, or the untold words. She's saying يا ترى طلعت لمين بقى, and she's thinking about him. Okay, so either grew up like her mother or like her father. When her father says, okay, I wish you were like her, and then okay, so I'm now like whom, and she knows like the father. And the father of course responds with this, like me when I was your age. زيي طلعتي زيي. Okay, so زيي came here when we talked about زيي, زيك, زيها, زينا and so on. زيي like me. زيي لما كنت قدك when I was your age. كنت, this is the verb to be in the past. And we talked in spoken Egyptian that we don't use verb to be in the present. So when you say for example أنا حميد, I don't say أنا أكون حميد. أنا حميد. I حميد. I don't have am in Egyptian in the present tense. But in the past tense it's a must. Because without this you don't know whether it is present or it is past. So in the past tense I have to add, it's a must that I add verb to be. So I say أنا كنت زعلان for example. I was upset. But now أنا فرحان. I don't say أنا أكون the presence. No, I don't say it أكون which is the present. I say أنا فرحان directly. Here it's the same thing. لما كنت when. لما here is when. لما كنت زيك. When I was, or لما كنت قدك. لما كنت قدك. Okay, زيي لما كنت قدك. So like me when I was your age. The same like you. قدك. قدك here it means the same or equal to your age.
عارفة شيء انتي مشكلتك ايه؟ انا هقول لك.
عارفة يا شيرين. Her name is Shireen, and يا شيرين, as we know from our last episodes, previous episodes, يا is summoning, calling. يا شيرين, oh شيرين. So I'm summoning her. Okay, عارفة is from عارف, يعرف, which is perfect, to know. Yes, exactly, to know, يعرف. عارفة يا شيرين. Do you know شيرين? Do you know شيرين? Do you know شيرين؟ انت عارفة يا شيرين what's your problem؟ ايه مشكلتك بالظبط؟ ايه مشكلتك بالظبط؟ ايه is what؟ مشكلة is problem. مشكلتك your problem. مشكلتي my problem. مشكلته his problem. مشكلتنا our problem. عارفة ايه مشكلتك بالظبط here it means yes accurately exactly. عارفة do you know exactly what's your problem؟ عارفة ايه مشكلتك بالظبط؟ أنا هقولك I will tell you. أنا هقولك.
مشكلتك انك عاوزه كل حاجه تطلع زي ما انت رسمها بالظبط.
مشكلتك انك عاوزة كل حاجة تطلع زي ما انت رسمالها بالظبط. Oh my god, this is a long sentence حميد, long phrase حميد, please break it down. Okay, let's break it down. مشكلتك انك عايزة you know, you want انك عايزة كل حاجة تطلع زي ما انت رسمالها بالظبط. اوكي, رسمة is to draw from يرسم. اوكي, رسمالها it means that you are drawing for it or planning it. بالظبط is accurately. وكل حاجة we said it before and I also explained it in my accelerator course. Don't forget to look at the link in the description box, the full accelerator course. كل حاجة I said كل حاجة is everything. Okay, so when I say عارفة انت عايزة كل حاجة تطلع, you want everything that goes تطلع زي ما انت رسمالها بالظبط, exactly as you are planning it. Okay, so you want everything as planned. Okay, you don't tolerate any change of plans. Okay, you are strict, you are like one-sided, one way. Okay, you don't have this flexibility to have alternative plans. So it's either like this or not. Okay, so it's like white or black. عايزة كل حاجة تطلع زي ما انت رسمالها, زي exactly like what you are drawing for it, what you are planning for it exactly.
ده اي حاجه تخرج عن المألوف.
Then her father continues, ورفض أي حاجة تخرج عن المألوف. Here we learned كل حاجة, everything, حاجة is thing, كل حاجة, and we will learn in the same context أي حاجة, which is anything. So we will learn thing is حاجة, كل حاجة everything, أي حاجة anything. ورفض from the verb يرفض, and here we have the noun subject or اسم الفاعل or subject noun, which is رفض. رافض is the masculine and رفض is feminine. رفض refusing from الرفض. Okay, so الرفض to refuse something. Okay, to refuse something. So رفض. ورفض أي حاجة, so you are refusing that anything go out of the plan. تخرج عن المألوف. يخرج is to go out, يخرج يدخل, to go out and to go in. عن المألوف. المألوف as a word, an Arabic word, it came from modern standard Arabic, and المألوف it means the ordinary. المألوف it means the things that we know and we are satisfied about. It's the ordinary things around us that we don't have any trouble grasping. Okay, so when I say, for example, the sky is blue, this is ordinary, this is المألوف. But when somebody says the sky is green, so this is not ordinary, مش غير مألوف. So تخرج عن المألوف, go out of the ordinary.
حاجه تطلع زي ما انت رسمها بالظبط, ورفض اي حاجه تخرج عن المألوف. بس اللي انا متاكد منه. بس also here is an additional word, or let's say a filling word that we discussed also before. بس, so it has no meaning, but it's like and or so it's an additional word, so would give like a preparation to what I'm going to say afterwards. بس اللي انا متاكد منه, اللي the thing that, اللي أنا, the thing that I am sure about, اللي أنا متأكد منه, sure. اللي أنا متأكد منه, the thing or اللي that I am sure about. منه, from it. متأكد منه, I am sure about it or sure about it. So هنا متأكد, or here متأكد comes with منه. So the preposition من, which is from, متأكد منه. I am sure about it. But here in Egyptian it's literally sure from it, but it's actually sure about it. So usually or always use منه after متأكد. متأكد من. The things that I am sure about.
بس اللي انا متاكد منه انك بكره هتكبري وتعالي وتفهمي.
انك بكره هتكبري وتعقلي وتفهمي. That tomorrow you will grow and get wiser. Okay, هتكبري to grow. Okay, هتكبري you will grow. هتعقلي from العقل. العقل here it means the mind, and هتعقلي it means that your mind will grow. Okay, you will get wiser. Okay, وتكبري وتعقلي وتفهمي and understand.
بس اللي انا متاكد منه انك بكره هتكبري وتعالي وتفهمي. انا ما عنديش اي شك في كده.
أنا ما عنديش أي شك في كده. I have no doubt about this. أنا ما عنديش is the negation of أنا عندي. I have. أنا عندي عربية. I have a car. أنا ما عنديش عربية. I don't have a car. أنا ما عنديش. So I don't have any. So any here as a word or a preposition it means in Egyptian. أي حاجة. Anything. Remember كل حاجة أي حاجة. Yes. So أي حاجة anything. So أي is any. أنا ما عنديش أي. So it came here again to solidify our knowledge. أي شك. It means doubt. شك. يشك to doubt something. Okay, to have doubts. Okay, يشك. And يشك as well, it has another meaning in Egyptian, which is to puncture something or to inject something or have. Okay, so يشك. Okay, يشك puncture. Okay, so يشك. So أنا ما عنديش أي شك في كده. I don't have any doubt about this. So I hope it was easy for you. We learned many important words and phrases here like this. We learned كل حاجة أي حاجة شك أنا عندي أنا ما عنديش. So all these important words and phrases, they came within our context here. If you have any question about these ones, don't forget to write me a comment and ask me. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this the channel and like the episode. And if you want deeper analysis about this one also, you can join my accelerator course. Join my Egyptian Arabic 101 free course in the first comment, the link in the first comment and also in the description box, and share this episode if you found it useful and want to spread the word with me as well. Thanks a lot and see you in a future episode.